स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे इस वीडियो में। और आज हम पढ़ेंगे रेंज ऑफ थैलस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन एल्गी। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ थैलस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एल्गी आर डिवाइडेड into the following 5 groups. First, unicellular form. Second, colonial form. Third, filamentous forms. Fourth, siphonaceous forms. Fifth, parenchymatous forms. First, unicellular forms. Simple unicellular forms are found in all groups algae except chlorophyceae and phaeophyceae. These forms are sometimes referred to as acellular since they function as completely living unit without any cellular differentiation. Unicellular forms can be classified into the following subgroups. First, motile forms. Second, non-motile forms. Motile forms. On the basis of locomotory organ, these are of two types. First, rhizopodial form. Example, chrysomoeba. Second, flagellated forms. Euglena. Non-motile forms. Some unicellular algae have not any type of locomotory organ. For example, chlorella, spirulina, pinularia. Second, colonial forms. Loosely aggregated cells within shared mucilaginous investment forms the colonial habit. Cytoplasmic stents keep these cells together. First, synobium. It is a colony with a finite number of cells having defined shape and organization. Synobium is found as a motile forms. Example, volvox. B. Non-motile forms. Example, hydrodiction. Aggregated forms. The thallus is made up of aggregation of single cell in irregular colonies, a pameloid habit. These that have non-motile cells embedded in an amorphous gelatinous or mucilaginous matrix. Each cell is free and capable of performing all the function. Example, chlamydomonas. Dendroid forms. This they have cells with variable number, shape and size. They have the appearance of miniature trees. Example, Ecbalocystis, Prasinocladus, Chrysodendrons, etc. Rhizopodial. In a rhizopodial colony, the cells are united together. Rhizopodia. वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। धन्यवाद। थर्ड, filamentous forms. Filamentous forms are developed by repeated transverse division of cells. The daughter cells do not separate and they remain attached one upon the other in a definite sequence to form a filament. The filaments may be branched or unbranched. Unbranched filament, it is either free floating, example Spirogyra, or found in linked to the substratum, example Eulothrix, Udogonium, etc. Free floating unbranched filaments do not have distinguished basal and apical cells. Branched filament forms when a filament begins types to divide in a second plane. It is of two types. First, false branched, example Cytonema. B. True branch, example Cladophora. Fourth, siphonaceous forms. The thallus is aseptate and multi nucleate. This form is either simple branched, example Vaucheria, or complex with clear division of labor and aerial and subterranean section, example Botrytis. Parenchymatous form. A parenchymatous thallus forms when the cell of a filament divide in multidirectional plane. The thallus eventually becomes folioso and flat. Example Alva tubular. Example Enteromorphous cytosiphon.